Hey guys, Palacio here with another video. This time not featuring the Mavic Pro or the Osmo Mobile. Instead, I'm going to be building something that I will be using with the Mavic Pro or even with the Osmo Mobile. So I picked up myself a bike. I saw it at Costco just recently and wanted to try it. I've been wanting to do some off-road biking, and now with the Mavic Pro and also the Osmo Mobile, I wanted to try something out. This video is going to be a bike build, but eventually it will tie in with my Mavic series of videos. So hopefully you enjoy it. It's going to be a speed build, and here we go. So here it is. Let's build it and see how long it'll take us. It's an XC00 by Northrock. This is a Costco bike. I found it cheap. Costco usually has good stuff. Quality's pretty good. I like it. So here it is. So I got my tools in case I need them. Bike in here, and let's start taking the pieces out. Seat. Some parts. I've had mountain bikes, speed bikes, never a fat tire bike. This is Rupert, by the way. All right, first of all, let's get rid of all these straps. Front tire. Pedals and some tools. Install the handlebars now. That should be all right. Tighten these, they're not so hard. So you might crack it. Seat now. Nice. Now the front tire. Pretty much almost done here. Now we gotta do the pedals. We got ourselves a bike. That's it. This is it. Hopefully I can hook up the Osmo Mobile right here and go for a spin, see how it looks. All right. Hope you enjoyed the build. Hope it wasn't too boring for you. And my whole purpose is to take this out on the road and have the Mavic follow me and get some cool footage doing some mountain biking. Until then, we'll talk later. Peace. Okay guys, project's done. Let's go for a ride. Brand new bike. Got some noise, maybe I need to adjust something. But here we go, man. Now, just imagine the Mavic following me. That would be so sweet. Alright, so this is the Osmo on the bike, take one. Let me put my shades on. It's facing me. My new bike. Hopefully we'll have some good times with it. The Osmo Mobile and the Mavic Pro. So that wraps up our video for today. We'll keep in touch. Peace.